Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to MixHub YouTube channel. In the last episode, we discussed some interesting and amazing tech news. Today I am here to tell you the more interesting and amazing tech news. So let us move into the video. Today's first news is from Bot Company. It has launched a smartwatch which is Bot Vertex smartwatch with the price of 2499 rupees only. The wearables company has unveiled the Bot Vertex smartwatch in the budget segment. The smartwatch comes with a huge display and tons of fitness features that helps users in leading a healthy life. The best bit about the smartwatch is that its cost is less than 3000 rupees only. The smartwatch has been offered in 3 interesting color options, including deep blue, active black and cool grey. The Bot Vertex smartwatch is available on Flipkart and the Bot website. Its specifications include 1.69-inch capacitive square dial with a responsive touch interface. This comes with various health tracking features, including heart rate and SpO2 trackers. And in terms of battery, it can give you 10 days backup on single charge. This Vertex is also sweat, splash and dust resistant with an IP67 certified enclosure. Today it comes into sale in Amazon and Flipkart. I can give you the link in the description. Please check it once. Okay, let us move to the next news. The next news is from Vivo company. In Diwali sales, some of the categories of Vivo phones are surprisingly have got discounts with card offers, Jio offers and cashback offers, etc. You can now get discounts on products like Vivo Y20T, Vivo V21 and Vivo Y20A. Not just the entry-level smartphones, as the company is also offering discounts on products like the Vivo X50 Pro as well. Here all the best deals available during Diwali festival sale in 2021. Once check these phones which are displayed on the screens. The next news is from Dezo brands. Many new and latest products are launched in recent times. In these Diwali sales, many Dezo products which are sub-brands of Realme have gotten discount percentage. Dezo is a Realme sub-branded under TechLife ecosystem. According to the company, the brand Dezo will focus on smart home, smart care, accessories, entertainment products and more. Now sources told Gadgets Now TOI Tech that the first Dezo products to be launched in July 1st will be in audio wearables category. The next news is from Intel company. It has brought 12th generation processors. They have given in all the models and its specifications and prices based on cores and clock speed. We all know that Intel processors bring you the world-class performance for business and personal use for a wide range of processors by device type, laptops, desktops, workstations and servers. Explore the best processor options for immersive gaming, content creation and IoT and embedded applications and artificial intelligence. Let us move into the next news. This news is from Redmi company. This will launch a flagship mobile with a processor of Snapdragon 870 and that was the Xiaomi Mi11 is the company's flagship for 2021, showcasing new camera models, screen technologies and rear camera designs at a premium phone price tag. While Xiaomi is gearing up for the launch of its anticipated Redmi Note 11 series, a tipster has revealed interesting information about another device that might arrive soon. Apparently, the company is also planning on launching a new budget flagship Redmi phone as well, which will release only in India and China. The news arrives from known tipster who shared this news on Weibo on social media. The next news is from Lava company. It has preparing for an event on 9th November at 12 pm. In that, a new mid-range mobile called Agni will be launched. They have scheduled the event on YouTube and other community. Lava has confirmed the launch of its first ever 5G smartphone in India through a recent upload in online. To be called Lava Agni 5G, the smartphone will mark its debut in India in next month, and details around it have already been shared by the company through social media. It will be powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 810 5G chipset, which was available with 5000 mAh battery. We can expect the Lava Agni 5G to run Android 11 right out of the box. The next news is about Poco M4 Pro 5G. Poco M4 Pro 5G has received FCC certification, and it will also launched with two variants, 4GB RAM with 64GB internal and 6GB RAM with 128GB internal, globally with an MIUI 12.5 update. So today's tech news are completed. Tomorrow at the same time, meet you again. Signing off, yours Naveen, MixHub YouTube channel. Please do like, share and don't forget to subscribe.